How's it going, YouTube, and welcome back to the Big Friendly Gardener. Now I probably look all sweaty in that, and that's because I've been digging out my front drive. As you can see here, we've cut the block paving and we're going to be laying some turf here. I've been looking for lawn levelling tools and most of them are like hundreds of pounds, so I thought let's have a go at making one. Now this could be absolutely tragic, but we're going to give it a go, so let's DIY a lawn levelling tool. I think what I'll do is I'll just get some bits and bobs together that I've got around the house. I'll do a quick time lapse, and then after, once it's complete, I'll talk you around it and you'll be able to see how I did it from the time lapse. Let's get on with it. Okay, so you probably just watched me make the world's sketchiest do-it-yourself lawn leveler, and here it is. So basically I've just made it out of old skirting boards. Get it together, I've added these big blocks for a bit of weight and then added a old bit of wire as a handle. Definitely sketchy. Now my topsoil arrives tomorrow, so why don't you make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to see if this works. But basically anyone can make this. All you've got to do is get that kind of design, as you can see there, just the two edges, and then I've got 4 straights there, 4 rows, and hopefully that will level the lawn. We're not going to find out till tomorrow when I get my topsoil. So basically if you watch the next video, you'll see me using this and I will tell you if it works or not. But I've seen people use pallets. You can use pallets if you've got any of them laying about and just knock one together. But make sure you watch the next video. Thank you for watching the Big Friendly Gardener. Make sure you hit that subscribe and I'll see you in the next video to find out whether this lawn leveler actually works.